Welcome back, guys, to Reverse Engineered. In today's episode, we'll start dismantling the front end of the 2020 F150, and we're going to replace the frame, which we have over here, ready on the side in front of the S4. We also got the bumpers here, the front and the back. They're gloss black. They look way better than the chrome on the truck. I don't like chrome on any vehicle. I wish it all came blacked out, but I guess that's how they make some extra money, to sell you a black optics trim or things like that. And with that, let's get dismantling.
What about the S4 right there?
He's waiting on papers for inspection. It'll pass no problem, like every other car we've done, but he's waiting as coronavirus COVID-19 has caused the state to close down the inspection sites, and we'll have to respect that. We have no choice anyways. Just like the Mustang, it's waiting its turn as well. And when we get that ready, the states, everything gives it a good to go. We're gonna go ahead and take them to inspection, and we'll go from there. We're gonna save this piece. There's no damage to it whatsoever. Yeah, that's how the shape is. We're good to go on this one.
Now, next thing is you gotta take all these bolts off so you can remove the front grille and then the shutter grille here. Maybe these plastics on the sides.
Yeah, the air guides. This one's okay. Just got a little bit of tear in it, but that's not a big deal. So far, it's looking pretty okay. We get a 10mm so I can remove the grill.
So far, so good.
So the grill is not coming off just yet because the bumper is blocking it over here. So we're gonna have to take that off first and move from there with the radiators and things like that. There you have it.
Looks like we removed the grille without taking off the front bumper. There was just some brackets on the passenger side that was holding it down.
Still blocking it.
Yeah, it was blocking it, but we managed to pull it out.
Yeah, I made room. A little loose. Still a bolt here that's pretty much smashed up against the rail. We have to cut it off or something. Because it's not coming off just yet.
This truck took a nasty hit on the driver's side. I'm surprised that the whole frame is damaged, because kind of see the damage was not dead onto the rail. It was kind of on the side of it. Anything, boys? If not, we chop it out with the sawzall, or
Chop it off. And it's gonna come off. We do. Okay, 3 pieces for the price of 1.
yeah, we gotta toss that away. It's no good. Okay, so we took off the air cleaner box, the hood. Now we can easily see the frame rail on the driver's side. From up here, you can't really see if there's a frame damage, but if you look from under, you can definitely see it.
And also from that angle over there, there's a kink right over here.
Right there. Yeah, you can't really see it, but
that's a kink right there. So
you can also tell by that, and then also this corner right here, the gap on the driver's side is
the wheel is pushed backwards.
Yeah.
Like right here. Checking on with the other side. All in all, this frame is no good. At least the front section. Some people chop the front section. Well, the new one, keep the old one in the back. But we're not gonna do that since we have our new guy over there, which is gonna be swapped. It's easier for us to just swap it instead of replacing the front half. And we'll go from there. Too bad the frame is bad, but it is what it is. I mean, there's a lot of trucks where...
Come on, John, tell the truth. You're not looking forward to changing the frame on this truck.
No, I'm not. Although I know how to do it, I don't want to. It is what it is. It's a 2020 truck. I think it's worth it though.
Oh yeah. We also got it for a very good price.
And believe it or not, it's clean title.
Yeah. Like Daniel mentioned that earlier. Looks like it comes with some vents, these trucks. I'm not sure what this is. For the brake pads or rotors, I'm not sure.
It looks like the air just goes straight down.
Oh, they just want to eliminate it, maybe. Just let it go through.
No, it's kind of weird. So, okay, that's off. What actually happens is, this is like that, right? Takes the air from there and brings it out to this side. And that's all the way around the tire. Right over like that.
Where the tires are.
And it pushes the air that way. Maybe they try to eliminate some type of friction. Or
Oh yeah,
I
probably.
finally thought about aerodynamics on these trucks.
I don't know how much that's gonna help.
It's a 5.0 liter, so they had to find something to save some gas on, some MPG. Better aerodynamics saves you gas. AKA nothing on this car. Truck.
It goes for like 15 mpg.
We're gonna do a short competition here. Whoever is able to remove this ring or this clamp is going to drive the truck the first time when we're done with it. So I'll try.
Let's see, John, how good of a dude you are.
Sam more than I can squeeze it, but
Looks like you failed.
it's not gonna go.
You're out of the picture, bud.
You didn't say we can use tools.
You
I win.
Looks like
Have it
Daniel's gonna go
removed
ahead and
before?
try it. I didn't even get a chance to.
You said remove
Try to
the
remove
clamp,
the
not
clamp.
the hose.
Hit it up if anything.
Yeah, we gotta hit it up because it has a. Okay, it's done. Still gotta take off that screw out of there. Is that what's holding?
Yeah.
One small step for reverse engineered, a huge leap in this truck's life.
Don't worry, buddy. We'll bring it back to life.
Big change.
You'll be fine.
We'll still love you. New frame or not, we'll still love you.
I don't know what the deal is with the rubber bands. I've seen a lot of cars, even in the auction, even on the Mustang we got, even at the dealership. I've seen a couple Mustangs and the Ford Raptor. They have a bunch of these around the wiring. I don't know what that is. If you guys know, let us know in the comment section.
Interesting. Now you can see the damage a lot better. Right over there. Check it out, it's all bent.
Little kink.
Kink, it's more than little. So that's the reason we're changing the frame.
Also down here, if you zoom in closer where this control arm is, the bracket here, it's all bent in.
Well, it's gonna be fun taking that control arm off.
remove. And that's it. We have plucked another feather from its wing. Okay, so we're finally done taking off pretty much everything off the front end here. We're gonna go ahead and move to the back of the truck, remove the rear bumper, the bed, and whatever there is under that we have to remove. We also went ahead and we removed the bed liner from the truck because we do have to remove all these 6 bolts that you see here, this one and everything else.
Bed off was pretty simple. We had to unbolt the 6 screws, get the wires from the bed. Also, there was another screw holding this on the bed, gas pipe, whatever you call it. And that was it. That was pretty easy to remove. Now we realized we have more damage. We knew we had an ABS light in the dash, and we found out this is bad. It's all cracked. It's no good. We're gonna have to replace the. That's like acts as a handbrake, electronic handbrake.
No one they showed in the dash there's some issues with the handbrake.
Yeah.
And some ABS light.
Now, I can recall that this is pretty light.
Speaking from experience.
I saw you lifting it in the video.
Yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and check out the old videos where we did the 2015 F150, where we also replaced the frame on that F150 2015 Raptor style. Please go ahead and do so.
Now it's time for us to push the truck back to where the old one used to be, lift the cabin, and work from there. Let's go, Dane.
Okay guys, I'll just stand here and watch you guys do it.
Yes!
So 2 men power or 2 horses power.
Bad idea.
Okay, I'll join you guys. Okay guys, there you have it. We finally lifted the cab. We're almost there. Looks like the cab is almost elevating if we didn't have these jacks.
Still got a bunch to lift up though. Yeah.
A bunch, but we're halfway there.
Put it down a little bit.
That is it. The cabin is up. Safe. Those 6x2s strong enough to hold it up. And these, how do you call those things? Horse saw. Are secured to the ground. Everything is secured. Now we're pretty much okay to go ahead and pull the frame from underneath and work on the frames. Get on to swapping.
Wish we had a lift like Weston Chaplin. But I guess we have to go the hillbilly way. We don't have
Sketch
something,
way.
just gotta work with what you got, man. If you don't have it, build it.
Exactly. If you can't buy it, build it.
It's not that we can't buy it, we just don't have the room for a lift.
Yeah.
The garage is nowhere near now.
Can't buy it. So this
crossbar.
So this crossbar pretty much clears the engine. It's just to pull it out. We're all good. We thought about it in advance, and looks like it paid off. Now we didn't have to cut it here, although we made a little indentation there. But we're gonna have to chop that side. But anyway, now we're good to go and remove the engine, remove the entire frame,
Pull it forward, and then
pull it, and get the engine going. We have to disinflate the tire just a little bit so we can clear underneath here, and we will be fine. Very close, but we're all good. Now, since we have a lot more room, check out the frame here, easier to see. Look at that kink in that area. It's all bad. Looks like this. This like a driver frame is bad. The other one for the passenger looks a little bit, looks okay. But still, well, since we got so far, why not just change the entire thing? And check this area, it's all good. I've seen that F150s have a problem over here, right behind the wheel. I don't know why it's a weak spot for what it is, but I wish Ford could make him a little stronger on this side, but it's good enough. Overall, the frame looks good. It's pretty much a brand new truck. 3,000 miles. First time we see a V8 engine out of its shell. Check out that bad boy. This V8 is similar to the Mustang V8, but there's a couple of things that are different. Maybe the rods, or I don't know, the heads. There's a couple of different things on this. Maybe even the head gasket might be a little different, because that one has like 460 horsepower, and this one has around 390, 400, something like that, or a little less. I don't know. But so far, it looks good. It's home run from here.
The Mustang sounds amazing.
What do you think of that drive shaft, Daniel? Lighter, heavier?
It's a little bit heavier than the other F150. Okay.
Interesting.
Boys! The gym is closed on quarantine.